We're at Lovewells Corner Store. Usually you don't get a look inside a store like we're going to show you here. They're bigger than they look, I tell you. They did quite a few things here. Of course, RFD TV. Let's go inside. Okay, let's pull. Oh, it's amazing what they've done here. All right. 4 or 5. Look at this. This is an adventure. This is the first time we have gotten in here with nobody else in here, so we're going to take you on a quick tour of Lovewells.
I had 36, right? No, you had 37. That's what I had exactly? Yep. Oh, okay.
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 All good.
Oh, good. Yeah, I'll save my tomorrow. I'll save my $25 for tomorrow.
All right.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Gracious, gracious, gracious. I have not seen so many different flavors of vodka in my life. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is all in Lovewells. This is the back room, open to the public. And then, I know there's some more treasure troves here. Ah. Ooh, here's my kind of room back here. Gifts and oddities, live bait. Look at old Spider-Man there. Yeah, I see they need more of, and that is elbow room. My goodness, what an adventure. Ah. Oh, tobaccos. Oof. Sorry if I'm going so fast, but not sure how much time I have left on this video. Okay. My goodness. Smile, you're on camera. Okay. Okay, well. Moonshine, yep. All right. Complete. That's the main cave. Oh boy, here we go. Hello.
Hi. We do it every year. Do you?
Hi.
Hi.
Wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Over here, more goodies. Oh yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah. We've been in here 4 minutes already. That's hard to believe. This is quite the adventure. Anyway, Lovewells Corner Store, Sage Lake Road, in the Lupton Road City area. Okay. Wildberry. Yum, yum, yum. All right. Here we go. All right, over here. Over here. Popcorn. Whoa. Fishies. What hole do we have here?
Yeah. No, I haven't done that yet, actually.
All right. Okay. All right.